My name is Josh Williams. I'm a proud Ngarrindjeri and Narungga man. Growing up with the countryside as the backyard, the bush always kind of around me. I've always been an explorer. Created this yearning to get back on land as an adult once I'd ticked a few of those boxes as a young man. Went travelling, went to university, studied horticulture. After uni, I got into landscaping and landscape design. Had a passion towards system thinking and plants and all things that kind of grow. And then recognising and understanding how in Australia we treat land and how we grow food, for me was like, there has to be a better way to do this. So for me, the share farming model was a way that I didn't have to work my whole life to save up enough money to find a piece of land that I probably couldn't have afforded when I am young and passionate about getting in the game of growing good quality produce. Tumpanyeri Growers has been operating for 5 years now. We are market gardeners, so 2 people, small farm, efficient and intense production is what we're doing here. We want to provide the most nutrient-dense, delicious, healthy food to the community. Food is culture, and for me, our people, we have a food culture. Indigenous people basically treated the land like one big massive garden. They tended to it in a way that an old lady would go out there and tend to her roses. We manipulated the landscape for the benefit of everything, not just ourselves. I think agriculture can take a lot of wisdom from that. And First Nation people, we've been broken from a lot of these practices, but it's not lost. Once you start to scratch the surface and participate in ethical farming systems such as agroecological practices, it just starts to come through. You start to see and feel nature as a part of you, and that comes through in the food, that comes through in your life. Another big component of what we do here is that sharing knowledge. We have these educational farm tours. That knowledge sharing is huge, and we're not just doing it for us. We're doing it to gather as much of the information as we can and pass it on. I want to share how connecting to country through growing food has made me feel like I'm belonging to land and I'm belonging to culture. What I'm most excited about is this introduction of bush foods into Tumpanyeri, and not only just for me, I want to bring other mob in and teach them how to set up systems like this so they can participate in the industry. We're setting up the wash and pack facility and the market garden to be able to accommodate 50 to 100 families a vegetable box every week for 6, 8, 9 months of the year. We need the consumers to support not just country, but culture. We are designed to help one another. Life's a bit too short to go it alone, so it's nice to combine where you can with the right kind of people.